Saturday, November 15, 2025.
So ito yung November. So ito yung first Saturday ng video na to mga tol. November 15, Saturday, 2025. Wala na ako masasabi guys at hindi ko na din papabahin ng video na to. See you sa second Saturday.
Saturday, November 22, 2025.
Ito na yung second Saturday ng video. November 22, Saturday, 2025. Ano ako masasabi pa? Kita-kits na tayo agad sa third Saturday video na to.
Saturday, November 29, 2025.
Third Saturday na ako ng video ko ngayon. November 29, 2025. Takits na tayo agad. See you na tayo agad sa fourth Saturday ng video na to.
Saturday, December 6, 2025.
Fourth Saturday na ako ng video ko ngayon. December 6, 2025. Ito ko, silong ng tulay. Takits na tayo agad sa fifth Saturday ng video na to. See you.
Saturday, December 13, 2025.
Fifth Saturday na ako ng video ko ngayon. December 13, 2025. Kita-kits na tayo pang 6th Saturday ng video na to. See you.
Saturday, December 20, December 20, December 20, Saturday, December 20, December 20, December 20, 2025, 2025, December 2025, December 2025.
6th Saturday na ako ng video. December 20, 2025. Kita-kits na tayo. 7th Saturday ng video na to. See you.
Saturday, December 27, 2025.
7th Saturday na ako sa video na to. The last Saturday, December 27, 2025. Thank you for watching this video.